I'm Logan. Here's my buddy again. We're gonna do a fake gunfight with one of those Duplo Legos. So I have a rifle with pistol sidearm. I have a pistol. Okay, I'm the hunter. Okay. Knife! Bayonet! Get your cover! Don't stand in front of the camera. You killed my dad! No, there is fight for death. I stabbed you in the back. Why aren't you dead? Ow. Knife. Okay, good. Get down. Now that he's dead, we just have to move on.